Right now, I am in the kitchen. I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to cook eggs for breakfast. In the United States, we have to keep our eggs in the refrigerator. We have to keep our eggs refrigerated so they don't get bacteria inside the eggs. Now I'm going to get a plate out of the cabinet. We keep our plates in a cabinet. Now I'm going to get a fork out of a drawer. This is our utensil drawer. We have spoons, butter knives, and forks. I'm going to eat my breakfast with a fork. Now I will get the pan that I'm going to use to cook the eggs. I'm going to get the pan out of the cabinet. This is the cabinet where we keep our pans. This is the pan that I'm going to use to cook the eggs. I'm going to cook the eggs in the pan on top of the stove. I'm going to use this burner to cook the eggs. So I will put this pan on this burner. And now I will turn this burner on to medium heat. So I will use this knob to turn the burner on to medium heat. I will spray the pan with cooking spray before I cook the eggs. While I wait for the pan to get hot, I'm going to slice a piece of sourdough bread. This is a bread bag, and inside the bread bag is sourdough bread. So this is sourdough bread. I'm going to use this bread knife to slice a piece of bread. I will put the rest of the bread inside the bag. Now I will put the piece of sourdough into the air fryer. And I will set the air fryer to toast the bread. And I will push the button to start toasting the bread. Now that the pan is hot, I'm going to cook the eggs. First, I will break the eggs into the pan. And now I will use this spatula to stir the eggs. I will make scrambled eggs. Now that the eggs are cooked, I will turn off the stove. And then I will put the eggs onto the plate. These are scrambled eggs. Now I'm going to wash the pan in the sink. I will use some dish soap. And a little water. And I will use a washcloth to scrub the pan. I will also clean the spatula. After I scrub the spatula in the pan, I will rinse them off. The sourdough toast is ready, so I will take it out of the air fryer. After the sourdough bread is cooked, it's called toast. Now I will butter the toast. I will use this butter knife and this butter, and I will butter the toast. I also like to eat fruit with my breakfast. So I have some strawberries. I'm going to wash the strawberries in the sink. And I like blueberries. I'm going to wash the blueberries in the sink. Now my breakfast is ready to eat. I also like coffee. I have my favorite coffee mug, and I'm going to add sugar. And I like hazelnut creamer. I'm going to pour a little bit of creamer in my mug. And then I will pour the coffee into my mug. And I will use a spoon to stir the coffee with the creamer and the sugar.